Hello, my name is Kevin. I am a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and now I will tell you what to do if you fail an Assurant background check. Assurant, a well-known provider of services on phone investigation conducted with advanced technologies and innovative approaches aimed at collecting and analyzing data for potential candidates for jobs. The company specializes in running an all-round check over the record of even the remote past of the potential employees for education and work history, as well as numerous other types of verification required by employers for formulating legitimate employment decisions. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the key aspects of the process that Assurant uses for phone checks and telephone interviews, from time to time up to the quite frequent mistakes and the ways of their correction. Test run for FDC and error correction. First, how to validate the results of FDC and correct errors. It is essential to know how to check and correct errors in your FDC results. The following is a step-by-step guide in handling FDC report errors. Request for FDC report. Firstly, one should start by requesting a copy of the FDC report from Asurint. The Equal Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, allows you to know what is in your FDC report. If you've been denied a loan based on what an FCRA report shows, the company responsible for the FCRA report is supposed to provide you with a report and contact information for the company that created the report. Detailed examination of the report. After receiving the report, closely examine the information presented. Take note of any inaccuracies or errors such as incorrectly listed personal information, the absence of any court records, or incorrectly attributed judgments. Preparation of evidences that prove the errors. Before making any complaints, collect all available documents that can prove your errors in the report. This may include bank statements, mailing addresses, and other documents that can confirm the error. Contact Asurint. After getting your complaint regarding the errors in the report, you are going to get in touch with the Assurant company that issued the report, or with its agent. Your demands to repair errors must include specific details about the errors found, as well as documents confirming your right to the correction. Follow up. Following the submission of your application, monitor the progress, and if it does not proceed for a reasonable amount of time, approximately 30 days, send Assurant a letter to remind them. Additional Assurant background check questions and resources. Numerous jurisdictions have different procedures for putting in orders for a correction of errors in a credit report. These will certainly differ across country, state, and local county commissions. The different disputing procedures across jurisdictions reflect the complexities of debt collection laws and consumer protection legislation. Legal counseling can assist individuals or businesses that are attempting to address credit-related problems. Here are several resources you may find beneficial for understanding the law. Credit, Debt and Identity, ICI, is a resource center for information on a variety of consumer issues. The IC is located in the District of Columbia, and its website and operations are maintained by the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The IC is responsible for providing answers to frequently asked questions about consumer problems as well as consumer protection laws. The site also offers free products or services to assist consumers in resolving a range of issues. There is also information provided on credit report-related topics. Online Dispute Resolution, ODR, is a web-based conflict resolution program that uses technology to resolve disputes. The objective of ODR is to reduce the time and expense of dispute resolution and increase the effectiveness of dispute resolution through speed and economy. The website allows consumers and creditors to file and negotiate disputes using real-time communication tools, such as email, instant messaging, and video conferencing. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, is responsible for overseeing financial practices, including credit reporting and debt collection. The FTC website provides various resources for consumers, including information on consumer protection laws and how to respond to disputes over credit reports. The FTC also has an online reporting tool for individuals who wish to report a consumer complaint or file a dispute over a credit report. Conclusion. By following the above steps, consumers can properly address errors in their credit reports. This guide is intended to provide direction for good credit health and to mitigate the negative consequences of inaccurate credit reports. Both the resolution of a dispute as well as the resolution of errors in a credit report are important to understand for consumers in order to protect themselves against a negative credit impact. Histories of success. How legal support helped clients cure mistakes in police record reviews. Every success story of all our customers clearly highlights how important it is to ask for quality help. Below, some examples are excerpted as proof of how crucial this is. John's case. Error in criminal past. John applied for an important job and was horrified when his chance was offered for this kind of work, and his criminal past was discovered at the very end, while Asurint was conducting a background check. John knew all about the law, and that is why he took it into his mind that there has been a mistake. So, with our legal company, John set about talking to Asurint, and they worked on solving the problem. It also helped him renew his face-to-face relationship. Emma's case. Incorrect identification. Emma ran into a problem when her criminal court cases and accounts payable were listed in the credential check done by Asurint. All she had to do with it was to figure out why the hell Asurint had made such a mistake. When we helped her, it turned out that the wrong identification had been made. We worked out a solution with the agency and straightened up the information. Emma then went to work without further obstacles. Case of Alex. Delays in the procedure and consequences. Alex was sure his background check was going to take a week, but due to some messing around from the place, Asurint was late. This delay made Alex lose an offer of employment, so he approached us for help. We were able to review their identification documents in a timely manner, and thus the operation was speeded up. We were even able to gain compensation for his loss of opportunity. Case of Betty. Mistake in documentation. Betty encountered a strange problem when, on the basis of information through the process of obtaining her background check, she saw in the report that she had not completed her studies. To be honest, Betty even had a diploma, calling her master. A similar oversight might quite likely have had deleterious effects on her professional prospects. Betty appealed to us for a solution, and we called for the process of reviewing information. We introduced proofs of her educational background. After our interference, the erroneous item was corrected, and Betty was able to continue in her pursuit of a successful career without any additional stumbling blocks. Case of Michael. Misrepresentation of employment status. Michael came across a complication when, upon Asurint's background check, the particular detail was inaccurately mentioned to report that he currently employed at another company, to which he did not currently belong. This misrepresentation may give rise to a signal for potential employers that Michael did not bother to express interest in other career opportunities. Michael found negative reviews about the background check from Asurint and decided to hire a lawyer to help him. We tried to get Michael to contact the agency and offer all the documents needed to substantiate the fact that he currently was working, although he was waiting for new job offers. In the end, this information was corrected, and Michael was able to obtain the job that corresponded to his qualifications and desired. The importance of legal support in reconciliatory issues of errors in funder proving. These stories prove that professional legal support is crucial when the question arises that regards irregularities in submitting the reconciling report to Federal Student Aid Administration. Whether connected with some criminal history, education, employment, or otherwise, we may assist in navigating you through the process and ensure that the data is presented properly and impartially. Please be assured that in case you are an applicant, our team is fully geared to offer you the kind of legal help necessary to ensure that you are not involved in lawsuits for misunderstandings. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.